Hi guys, we're going to solve question number 2 here. Find the maximum length of a golf club that could be shipped in a box shaped like a rectangular prism with the following dimensions. The box has a length of 4 feet, a width of 3 feet, and a height of 2 feet. So let's start by labeling it. So a width of 4 feet, that's going to go here. A length of 4 feet. A width of 3 feet, that's going to go here. And a height of 2 feet. So you can see this box is not drawn to scale, but so those are the dimensions. The maximum length of a golf club that could fit in this box. So let's use the line tool here. The maximum is going to be from one corner of the box to the other corner of the box. So like that. This is going to be the longest distance. So we're trying to figure that distance out. So let's label that with a question mark. Now, there's still a lot of things we don't know. Before we can get that length, we need to set up our right triangle. So what if I added another line that went from here to here? Let's label that red also. So now, if I highlight this last side, there's my right triangle. This would be my right angle right there. See that right triangle? It's kind of hard to see it in a 3D box like this, but that's where that right triangle would be. So let's think about what we know about it. Right now, we don't know much. We know that the height is 2 feet over here, right? This height right here. And we don't know this distance, and we don't know this distance. So let's see what else we know. Well, I see another right triangle down here. So let's use a different color. I'm going to use blue. So before I can find that maximum length, I think I need to figure out this missing length first. So let's see. I know that this side is 4, and then this side is going to be 3. And I'm missing side C again. So I'm going to have to use the Pythagorean Theorem twice for this problem. So the first time, we're going to set it up as a squared, which is going to be the 4, plus b squared, which is going to be the 3, and I'm missing c squared. So 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. Well, those two are on the same side. Can I add them together? I get 25. And to get rid of that square, I got to take the square root of both sides. So I end up getting that c is equal to 5 feet. So this distance right here is going to be 5 feet. And we're going to need that distance to help us with this other triangle. So let's change the color one more time here. So I know that finally I'm going to be doing 5, 2, and this question mark. So again, I'm missing side C, right? But this time the sides of the triangle, the right triangle, are going to be 5 and 2. So it's going to be 5 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. Well, 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 2 is 4. They're on the same side. I can add them together. So 25 and 4 is 29. My last step is going to be to take the square root of 29. The square root of 29 is a decimal. It's 5.385. So I'm going to round that to 5.4. My answer is going to be 5.4 feet is the maximum length of that golf club. So again, on these rectangular prism ones, we're going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem twice. And I would use like a highlighter to kind of highlight the triangle. But we got to use it for those two missing dimensions that go across the middle. So I hope that helps. Thanks.